Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8, which is the latest one at the time of making this video on Oracle Linux standard one. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is LibreOffice.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 25.8. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice. Then select RPM package from this here. We have the RPM, select Linux RPM, then click on download. At a moment, download will be started. See here, download started and its size is about 233 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this one and we will install LibreOffice 25.8.3. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. Now unzip this one, tar-xf, then Libre, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this folder, cd, LibreOffice, ls. Now go to ls. Now go to this RPMs directory, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo rpm-ivh nodeps star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice application suite. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Okay, go to the terminal, cd, go up one more directory, ls. See here we have the extracted folder and zip file, rm libre, hit enter, ls. Remove this directory as well, rm-rf libre, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.8 on Oracle Linux standard one. As I told you, the process is same on all Oracle Linux operating systems. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.